Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson CY26. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson CY26 cable won't rewind, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can be quite frustrating. This problem usually arises due to wear and tear on the internal components, such as the rewind mechanism or the cable itself. If left untreated, it can lead to further damage, making your vacuum less efficient and potentially more costly to repair in the future. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement rewind mechanism, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged for safety. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Gently lift the cover away from the body of the Dyson, taking care not to force it as this could damage the clips. Once the cover is off, you will see the rewind mechanism clearly. Look for any visible signs of damage or wear. To extract the faulty component, disconnect any cables attached to it using your pliers. Be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding components. After disconnecting the cables, remove any screws securing the rewind mechanism in place. Remember to keep track of the screws as you will need them for the reinstallation. Carefully lift the mechanism out, taking note of how it is positioned so you can properly install the new one. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement rewind mechanism and position it in the same orientation as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached and not pinched or damaged. Once everything is in place, replace the cover of the Dyson, aligning it properly with the clips. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the cover. Before you plug it back in, double-check that all components are correctly installed and that there are no loose parts. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the cable for any signs of wear and tear, and ensure that it is not getting caught or tangled during use. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and keep it functioning smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.